Hey everyone, welcome back to Kitchen and Home Review. In this video, we review the 20 smart Amazon kitchen gadgets you'll love using in 2025. If you love Amazon product reviews, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more weekly gadget reviews. These insanely useful smart kitchen tools will help you cook faster, stay organized, and upgrade your modern home. If you are looking for high-quality Amazon kitchen must-haves, then this video is perfect for you. So let's start. Titanium Cutting Board. 2-in-1 Cutting Board is a versatile 2-in-1 kitchen tool, with one side made of food-grade 99.9% pure titanium for cutting raw and cooked meat, and the other side made of wheat straw PP material for cutting vegetables and fruit. High-quality titanium cutting board completely improves the shortcomings of traditional cutting boards. Traditional cutting boards are prone to cutting gaps, leaving food residues at the gaps and absorbing odors and other minor problems. Easy to clean. The material on both sides is not sticky. You can rinse with water to keep it clean. Please clean the cutting board in time after cutting meat or vegetables and hang it to dry. There is a portable round on the cutting board for easy car. Cook perfect rice every time with the Cuisinart 8-cup rice cooker CRC 800 NAS. Designed for convenience, it automatically cooks and switches to warm, so your rice is always ready to serve. The sleek silver finish looks great in any kitchen, while the non-stick inner pot makes cleanup easy. Ideal for families, meal prep, and everyday cooking, this rice cooker delivers consistent results with minimal effort. Electric Sandwich Maker. Hot sandwiches in minutes. Save your time in the morning and make healthy and perfectly toasted gourmet pressed sandwiches. You can also quickly cook other meals like omelets and French toast. Simple, efficient, made of heat-resistant stainless steel with a fast heating element that provides even toasting. The power indicator light will let you know when the unit is on, while the preheat light lets you know when it's ready to cook. Hassle-free cleaning. The non-stick coating ensures effortless food release without bruising the bread and easier cleanup. Simply wipe with a clean damp cloth once they've cooled. Maximum safety. The Cool Touch locking handle allows heat to dissipate, preventing heating up and ensuring safe operation. Has anti-skid feet to prevent accidents. Bring a galaxy far away into your kitchen with the Uncanny brand Star Wars R2-D2 popcorn maker. Fully operational, this droid-shaped appliance pops fresh popcorn quickly and safely, making snack time fun for fans of all ages. Its detailed design captures R2-D2's iconic look, while the compact size fits easily on your countertop. Perfect for movie nights, parties, or as a collectible kitchen gadget, it's a must-have for Star Wars enthusiasts. Electric Hot Pot. Multifunction electric pot. Uliki Hot Pot Electric is equipped with dual power regulation functions, 300W and 600W. You can choose the desired power freely. At 300W power, the rapid ramen cooker is perfect to make oatmeal, spaghetti, and eggs. When you cook soup or hot pot, you can switch to the high power of 600W. The Shabu Shabu pot can provide you with a variety of choices for your daily meals. Easy to clean and non-stick coating. The surface of the noodle cooker is made of a food-grade non-stick coating, which can keep food from sticking, which can cook healthy food with less oil. After cooking, the surface of the portable electric hot pot can be easily cleaned with water and a sponge to meet all your expectations of deliciousness. Transform your cooking with the Chef Robot Smart Food Processor Ultra Cook, an all-in-one automatic cooking machine designed to save time and effort. With a 3.5-liter capacity, built-in scale, and a bright 7-inch TFT screen, it guides you step by step through over 600 online recipes. This multifunctional appliance chops, cooks, steams, and more, all with precision. Plus, the self-cleaning function makes cleanup quick and easy, perfect for modern kitchens. Honey Dispenser. Add a touch of elegance to your table with the glass honey dispenser, a stunning blend of style and function. Featuring a chrome-plated ABS lid and stainless steel shaft, this no-drip design lets you pour honey or maple syrup with perfect control. The beautiful honeycomb glass body holds up to 8 ounces and sits gracefully on its matching stand, keeping your countertop clean and classy. Sweet, sleek, and effortless. The glass honey dispenser turns every drizzle into a golden moment of perfection. Enjoy fast and flavorful coffee with the Keurig K-Express single-serve coffee maker. Featuring a strong brew option, it delivers bold taste in every cup. The large 42-ounce removable water reservoir lets you brew multiple cups without constant refilling, perfect for holiday hosting. With its sleek, compact design, this coffee maker fits any kitchen and makes a great gift for coffee lovers. Hamilton Beach Electric Hand Mixer. And no more lost beaters. The snap-on storage case that comes with the Hamilton Beach hand mixer neatly holds the 2 beaters and whisk in one easy-to-find place, reducing the chance that the attachments are lost or misplaced. Easily handles a variety of recipes. With 6 different speed options plus a quick burst button for an extra burst of power when you need it, this electric hand mixer prepares every recipe with ease. Everything you need to start mixing. This hand mixer comes with 2 traditional beaters and a whisk that are dishwasher safe. After mixing, simply press the speed dial to eject the attachments from the mixer without getting your hands messy. Powerful mixing performance. The 250-watt peak power motor provides all the power you need for every mixing job, whether you're adding chocolate chips and nuts to cookie dough or making fluffy whipped cream. Upgrade your kitchen with the Ninja DCT 45112 in one smart double oven, designed for maximum versatility and convenience. The innovative flex door lets you access the top or full oven easily, while smart finish and a built-in thermometer ensure perfect results every time. Enjoy rapid top convection and powerful air frying on the bottom for crispy, flavorful meals. With Flavor Seal technology and a sleek stainless steel design, this oven delivers professional cooking at home. Bring the fun home with the Ninja FS301 professional maker featuring rapid chill technology. This powerful drink and slushy machine quickly turns ice into smooth frozen drinks with ease. The large 88-ounce capacity is perfect for parties, while 5 preset programs create frozen margaritas, fraps, and more at the touch of a button. Finished with premium accents, it's a stylish and powerful way to enjoy cafe-style frozen drinks anytime. Swivel vegetable peeler. Smooth, effortless peeling. Dual stainless steel blades stay ultra-sharp and swivel to glide along fruits and vegetables easily. Includes a built-in blemish remover. Save time, less waste. Skins peel off quickly like they are melted butter without gouging your fruits or veggies. Takes off just the right amount so you save more precious produce. Smooth glide technology. Will not clog with peels. Dishwasher safe. Soft grip handle for maximum comfort. The non-slip rubber handle is comfortable for both right and left-handed use and makes peeling enjoyable. Includes hole for easy hanging. Ergonomic design. The peeler is efficient and lightweight and is easy to use, even for those with arthritis. Grind spices and nuts with ease using the Cuisinart SG10 electric grinder. Its compact mini design fits perfectly on any countertop, while sharp stainless steel blades deliver fast, consistent results. Simple one-touch operation makes grinding quick and effortless. Finished in sleek stainless and black, it's a convenient tool for fresh flavor in every meal. Measure with confidence using the Atexity digital kitchen scale, perfect for weight loss, baking, and everyday cooking. It provides accurate readings in grams and ounces, making keto and meal prep simple and precise. The clear LCD display is easy to read, while the durable 304 stainless steel surface is sleek and easy to clean. Compact and reliable, this scale is a must-have for a healthier, more organized kitchen. Upgrade your breakfast routine with the Keystone 4-slice digital smart toaster. Featuring a sleek stainless steel design, it comes with a touchscreen and dual control panels for precise toasting. The single-slot option, timer, reheat, and defrost functions make it perfect for bagels, bread, and waffles. Quick, convenient, and stylish, this smart toaster delivers perfectly golden results every time, making it an essential addition to any modern kitchen. Create delicious frozen treats at home with the Ninja NC301 CRME ice cream maker. It makes ice cream, gelato, sorbet, milkshakes, and smoothie bowls with ease using 7 one-touch programs. The compact design fits perfectly in any kitchen and is simple enough for kids to use. With 2-pint containers and lids included, you can make, store, and enjoy your favorite flavors anytime. Keep your microwave clean with the Tavolo Medium Microwave Splatter Cover. Made from BPA-free, heat-resistant silicone, it features vented holes to release steam and prevent soggy food. The collapsible design saves storage space, while the built-in handle makes lifting easy and safe. Perfect for meal prep and everyday reheating, this splatter guard protects your microwave and your food at the same time. Hand blender. No more lumpy chunks. Equipped with a strength 1100W full copper motor, providing for several times significantly stronger blending and chopping capabilities in seconds to create velvety smooth puree results. Easy-to-use variable speed trigger design. With a pulse-activated sensor, just follow your intuition to control over the recipe and reduce splattering. Getting a switch from low to high speed quickly for easy pureeing, emulsifying, or whipping with just one touch. Effortless cleanup, scratch-free. Features a unique food-grade nylon blade guard designed to minimize suction, preventing scratches on your pots and pans and keeping splashes at bay for a cleaner kitchen and hassle-free cleanup. Comfort at its best. Stylish and ergonomic grip offers a non-slip and comfortable grip when continuously blending ingredients. A perfect gift for mom, grandparents, camper, or all the food lovers on housewarming parties, weddings, birthdays, Thanksgiving Day, and Christmas. Brew the perfect amount of coffee with the Mr. Coffee 5-cup mini brew switch coffee maker. Its compact design is ideal for small kitchens, dorms, or offices. The simple on-off switch makes brewing quick and easy, while the glass carafe delivers up to 5 cups of rich, hot coffee. Finished in classic black, this coffee maker is reliable, space-saving, and perfect for everyday use. Make healthy snacks at home with this powerful food dehydrator for jerky, fruits, and more. It features precise temperature control up to 176 degrees Fahrenheit, letting you dry meat, veggies, and dog treats safely and evenly. With 5 durable stainless steel trays for easy presets and a 48-hour timer, drying is simple and hands-free. Perfect for homemade snacks, this dehydrator also includes a helpful recipe book to get you started right away. Cast iron smashed burger press. Heavy-duty cast iron. 6.5 cast iron burger press ensures even pressure, creating juicy, flavorful smashed burgers every time. Perfect smash burger crust. Flat edge helps achieve crispy, caramelized edges for that classic smash burger taste. Versatile smashing. Ideal for use on griddles, skillets, and grills, making it perfect for both indoor cooking and outdoor cookouts. Easy to clean. This hamburger smasher tool can be cleaned by hand washing with warm water and mild soap for quick and hassle-free cleanup. Cooking torch. Safe sturdy cream brulee torch. The safety lock could prevent accidental ignition. Also, the ergonomic design provides comfort to your hand and keep away from the flame. The aluminum alloy material adopted makes it more resistant and sturdy. Refillable portable. This butane torch lighter can be refilled after running out of use. With 3 butane adapters included, it's compatible with all types of butane tanks, whether with long or short nozzle. This mini butane torch is small and lightweight, easy to hold. Butane gas not included. Versatile, you can easily control the flame temperature according to your needs, max 1,371 degrees Celsius per 2,500 degrees Fahrenheit, such as caramelizing food, soldering DIY jewelry, cooking, barbecue, baking, brulee, cream, DIY soldering, bar cocktails, camping, and craft. Wondrous Tea Magic Pot. Add a touch of magic to your tea time with the Mactano Enchanted Teapot. This 600 ml Enchanted glass teapot comes with a built-in strainer for perfect brewing every time. Its witchcraft-inspired design creates a mystical vibe, making it ideal for cozy evenings or magical tea rituals.